Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 5 trades. Today's date is July 17th and I'm using my new Master Scalper trading system. This system has this Master Scalper, the moving average. It's a custom moving average, changes colors. It will give an audio sound and a pop-up box like you see here, suggesting either to buy or sell. And it also has the super signal indicator. That's these arrows. Same situation. If you have it turned on, it'll give an audio sound and an alert within this pop-up box. Now every morning at 6 o'clock or after, just depending on whenever I get in front of the computer, and that is New York time, I'm looking at all these different instruments along with my daily trade plan. Once I figure out I want to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. Now here is my daily trade plan. It's an expert advisor. It's running in real time. It analyzes from the monthly all the way down to the 30 minutes, does a lot of calculations, and eventually within the comments here, well, immediately, like I said, running in real time. Right now it's 10 o'clock in the morning. As you're looking at this daily trade plan, and it'll either say look for bullish trades, bearish trades, and sometimes either not enough strength or waiting for clear direction. In other words, it's flat at the moment. And it will change over the course of probably the next hour or so. Now, if you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that is one good reason why you are still struggling. If you have any questions, well, just get in contact with me, and I do prefer Skype. Okay, now we can get into these trades. Just to let you know, I just keep an eye on the running trades, and once I know that I'm over 200 pips and or ticks, I just close out the trades and I'm done trading for the day. And as I was closing out the trades, this first one, well, it was going positive, negative, and when I clicked on close, it turned into a small loss. And as I teach within the training videos, you have to keep your losers as small as possible and let your winners grow a lot more. That is one of the secrets to trading the market successfully. So on this pound dollar, let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Obviously getting in a little lower would have been better. Looks like I'm glad I closed out the trade, as I'd be losing a little bit more. But I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out here. Looks like 4. So that's a negative 4 pips, and that's why you see a minus $6. And as you can clearly see, it's not moving a lot. And that is one of the reasons why I prefer doing futures and the indexes. As you can clearly see that they move a lot more and pay a lot more. Pound Swiss, the next trade. This one I wanted to be selling it. Did qualify for a great way to trade. And everything screaming. Sell. Going down, that's exactly what I did. Sold it, that point, closed it, locking in 18 pips, and those pips paid out $214. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is crude oil. Let's drag and drop this up first of all, see where I got in at. This is actually where I saw it, but the signals, arrows was here and here, but I knew oil moves a lot and I was going to get something I was 95% sure. So crude oil pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, easy to see this should be 45. So let's go and look for those 45. There it is right there, 45 ticks. If I was still in the trade, I'd be up 67. And those 45 ticks paid out $450. Now another tool that you should have, I highly recommend, is my Fibonacci tool. All you got to do is click on this tab. You'll go from swing low to swing high right here. Here's your pullback. And as a general rule, if it hits any of the entries, it'll usually hit at least target 2, 3, 4, 5. And on this particular day, it hit target 9. And when I was building this, it took me quite some time to figure out how to do it. I put 10 targets. And I figured if you ever manage to hit 10, you're going to be very happy. So if you have any interest or questions regarding this FibMaster tool, well, just Skype me. And I did make a link right below this video for instant connection through Skype. So moving right along. Next trade, NASDAQ. Let's run a check on NASDAQ. Trading is easy and a lot of fun. Only after you have all the proper education, systems, proper tools, and it does take time to learn how to trade. If you look right below this video, you will find 5 things that you need to succeed at trading. And you'll get a lot of other information. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Now on this NASDAQ, it does pay $20 for each tick. So took the money divided by 20, calculator says it's 54. So from there to there should be 54. And if I was still in a trade, probably would have made double. So let's just go and run a check on that. 54 times 2, well, I would have been more than double up, but that's okay. I was happy with the 54, and there it is right there. 54 ticks, and that paid out $1,088. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the DAX 30. Now the DAX 30 does pay $3.75 for each tick, so you would take the money and divide it by that. And I did that, and the calculator says it's approximately 410 ticks. So just to let you know, when I was trading this, I was trading the pullback. It's a completely different way of trading. You can either go with the trend, or you can go against the trend, or I call it trading the pullbacks. I teach that within the training videos. And once you learn this secret, you can easily see lots of ticks and money to be made. Okay, here we go. Going to drag and drop this up. So I knew right away at this point, that's why I put the arrow in there. Just by looking at the charts, it was going to go up. And that's exactly what I did. I bought it, closed it out here, locking in, what did I say, it was about 410. Well, I'd have to drop it down to the 5 minutes to show you right on. But it's only showing between 406 and 412. But it is 410, and that paid out $1,537. So another great day of trading using my master scalper, and I knew it was going to be well over 200 pips and or ticks. Grand total came to 523 pips and ticks, and that paid out $3,284. So if you have any questions, well, just get in contact with me, and that's easy to do. All you have to do is look right below this video. You'll see in the description the word more. Just click on it. Opens up another window. You'll see my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly, and in 20 years it was almost impossible to find anybody where I can pick up the phone or go on Skype and talk to. So I make myself available, because without support, you're still going to struggle to succeed at trading. I know how difficult it is to be successful at trading. Now, if you can't phone me directly, well, just send me an email. Now, I do prefer Skype, and I made a link down there. All you got to do is click on it. Even if you think you don't have Skype, well, if you have a computer or even just a cell phone, if you click on the link, we'll have a Skype connection, and through Skype, I will be able to answer your questions. Also, in the description, you will find 4 packages, and remember, you're going to need a lot of education to succeed. So I made a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 for free. And of course, I have many other packages that offer a 50% discount. If you want to know what that is, well, just make sure you're on my email list. So if you give me your name and your email address, I'll put you on my email list, and you'll see lots of training and education that comes in many different packages that I offer. So, just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.